Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I am going to show you how you can add signatures into your Outlook mail. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to do that, firstly, you have to open your Outlook application on your phone. Now, after opening your Outlook application on your phone, you simply have to tap into your profile picture in the top left corner. From there, you will get the option of setting. Just simply click into that setting option. After coming into settings, you will get the email settings, and there is a signature setting. Just simply tap into the signature setting. In here, after tapping into the signature setting, you can set your signature by typing your signature into here. Just simply type your signature, and you can customize the signature from down here. You can choose to bold, italicize, and underline your text in the signature. You can also align it as you want. After doing that, you simply have to click into this button at the top right corner. Now, after tapping into there, your signature will be saved successfully. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.